Today we're reading the last half of Lamentations from chapter 3, verse 37 down through the end of the book, chapter 5, verse 22. Jeremiah in chapter 3, beginning with 37, expresses his own personal grief over what's happening to Jerusalem. As you recall, the Babylonians came in and ransacked Jerusalem and took it over and exiled the inhabitants that were therein. Then in chapter 4, he talks about the tough conditions in Jerusalem. It's an acrostic style, just as chapters 1 and 2 were. There are 22 verses in this chapter, chapter 4. Each verse is arranged alphabetically, with all the verses beginning with a word having as its first letter the successive letter of the Hebrew alphabet, 22 letters in all. It's poetry. It's very, very sad poetry. And then in chapter 5, we see that, here we go, the conditions after the fall. Very sad to see exactly what Jerusalem had become. And why is that? Well, it's because they had rejected the will of the one true God. Well, that's today's reading, and we'll see you tomorrow.